Hello, my name is Adam Bunch. I work with Pipe Wrench Plumbing. We are here changing out a PRV, a couple ball valves, and adding an expansion tank to the water heater, as well as we changed out a flush valve for a urinal. They've pretty much offered me a much better opportunity to advance in my career, and I couldn't turn that down, and financially as well. I worked at Del Air Mechanical, and I did a lot of main water lines for hospitals and mechanical rooms, mixing valves, water softeners, all the way up to 4-inch pipe. Copper, that is. Well, I really like a finished product, and Pipe Wrench seems to give us a lot of tools and materials that make the job a little easier. Sometimes it's challenging, but everyone likes a good challenge every now and then, and finished product and happy customers are pretty great to see. Well, what resonated with me most when I came here was that everyone seemed to actually talk to each other. They liked each other instead of just kind of being mean to each other, or it seems like this place has more of a family intertwined in. Well, I have a child, 1.5 years old. She's pretty great, and I blow glass. I make cups, necklaces, earrings, whether it be a leaf or a caterpillar, whatever you like. I also like my cars. Everyone thinks I got weird cars, but I love them.